Zafar. I am from level 40. Today I am going to present angles. Right angle is 90 degrees and the acute angle is less than 90 degrees.
And right angle is exactly 90 degree. And obtuse angle is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree.
This angle is approximately 80 degrees. This angle is approximately 60 degrees. How we can tell whether the angle is big or small, and how we can measure the length of an angle. To identify an angle, always focus on its opening. If the opening is big, that means the angle is big, and if the opening is small, the angle is